Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing how you can easily fix the Snapchat login error on your iPhone or Android phone. Here you can see when I try to log in my Snapchat account here, I have given here my username and then password, and it's saying we could not find matching credentials. So how to fix this issue? Just what you need to do is tap here on forget your password, and then here are two options, two methods to reset your password: your phone number and your email address. So from here you have to choose one you have access to. So I have access to my phone number, so I'm here using my phone number, and then here you have to give your phone number and tap here on continue. And here are also two options: send via text or call me instead. So what you want to choose, I'm here choosing send via text, and a code is sent to this number. So I have to enter here that code and verify my number. Here you can see now it's saying for the new password, and then tap on continue, and you can see my password has been reset. So go back, and now here enter your new password and tap on login, and here you can see my account has been successful login. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.